Hi, Mantosh.
Yeah,
Good
hi,
evening.
good evening, sir. Hello, I'm audible.
Okay. Yes, yes, you are. How was your day?
So, give me a minute. I think my speaker is not well conditioned. Okay, good evening, sir.
Okay, yeah. How was your day?
Good, sir. And you?
Yeah, me too.
Mm-hmm.
So, where are you from?
I am from Uttarakhand,
Uttarakhand. Okay, present you are staying in?
Noida.
Okay, okay. You moved to the Noida, right? From
Yeah,
Uttarakhand.
yes.
Okay, let's start with the quick introduction.
Yeah, so my name is Santosh Singh Bora. I belong to Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand. I done my BCA 2021 from Himalayan Garhwal University, and I have 4 year experiences IT domain for different services like desktop support role, technical support, and currently I am working with IP Infotech. Here my role and responsibilities like a cybersecurity, implement antivirus, DLP, DRM, fire, DRM, IRM, and MDM also for the current role. And my previous role is managing Active Directory and desktop support users like 200 domain users. If any user face any challenge, mail configuration, network issues, this kind of issue I handle. And my first company, here only my first job, so here I'm working with just a beginner. I learn here more things like how to domain join, how to printer install, windows install, and troubleshooting, this kind of things.
Okay, great.
One more thing missing. I also currently working with virtualization using Hyper-V tool, Microsoft Defend Hyper-V.
Yeah, understood. Thank you. Thank you for the information. Uh, so, you are working with the, what are the tools you said? MDM and
MD,
end-to-end.
MDM endpoint solution, antivirus, DLP, DRM, and audit compliance tools like if you want to audit your AD infrastructure, any file server, who change the any file like edit, rename, move, delete, this kind of audit compliance purpose.
Okay, what is the DR?
DRM, digital right management. If you have any sensitive file and you want to share with any other organization for only a limited days, you confirm the date for only the file open for 2 days, only two time. User cannot take screenshot, user cannot print, user cannot forward to any others. This kind of solution for our organization data security.
Okay, okay. What is Active Directory?
Active Directory is a service of server operating system. It's centralized management for users, groups, and OUs. If you have thousands users, 100 users, so that time we can create multiple things on Active Directory. Like if you allow only one user login on a single machine, so you can create a user and give permission for single only login and push here the computer name. And second thing, if you go with the work group, so biggest like not say about the loopholes, but the complicated for every IT administrator, so that time we need to enable administrator password. If I enable administrator password for the all whole machine, like we have 100 machine, 200 machine, so that time is the critical for how to manage that. So that's the resolve the everything. We can use Active Directory for login and multiple things like if you create multiple user on Active Directory for you have 10 machine, 40 machine, 50
Yeah,
machine,
yeah,
you can
understood, understood. Thank you.
proper
Yeah,
group policy
I
management
got
and
it.
okay.
I got it. Do you know about Azure Ready?
Yeah, I know about
Azure
Azure.
Active Directory.
Yeah, Azure Active Directory is the upgraded version because the Active Directory is the local directory. It's the local directory for Active Directory, and Azure Active Directory is the cloud Active Directory. We can use on
Okay.
cloud basis. Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you have experience with that?
Not more, little bit experience for Azure Active
Okay.
Directory. Yeah.
Okay. So what are the solutions you have worked for MDM and EDR?
I'm work for MDM. We are using Hexnode. Hexnode is a good MDM, full-fledged MDM. So that means if you want to restrict any user for applications, because
Mm.
we have two scenarios where we are using MDM. One is company on device. Second is BYOD, bring your own device. If you have company device, so you can definitely use MDM for the limited features and limited functions. For user cannot use extra things. If you
Mm.
have BYOD, bring your own device, so that time we can use a kiosk mode. We create a mode for like just like of the nowadays we are face of Google, kind of Google Drive, YouTube, and everything is a single kiosk mode. Here multiple applications, 4 to 5 applications. So we can create this type of mode, kiosk mode, and we put the organization application here, and user can then user use this kind of application. User cannot take a screenshot, not share any file to another, like through WhatsApp, through mail, anything, or where data is stored in the kiosk mode. User cannot misuse this kind of things. And if you lost your handshake and every handshake, so that time you can wipe out easily from the portal. And also
Understood.
you can track the location and change the password from the portal and many things.
What about the EDR?
So EDR, the upgraded version for the antivirus. When we go with the EDR part, EDR is basically work from two things, because when we use antivirus, we need to understand antivirus, then come with the EDR. Antivirus only deduct the signature. What is the signature? If I come with your organization like as of malware, so in antivirus search only the signature. If my signature is bad, so antivirus directly block. If my signature is good, antivirus allow. But sometimes nowadays many file is daily to day created, and some files like fileless file is created, and antivirus have not the exact meaning of this file. Antivirus not well known about this. So that case we come into any organization and destroy everything. So that time we are using EDR. EDR also behavior based, signature plus behavior. What is the my way? If I come into your organization
Okay,
and I
Santosh. Yeah, it's okay, man. Explain it simple, okay? I know you're best at it, but okay. Yeah, keep it simple, okay? Understood.
yeah, signature means signature with behavior. If I come with your organization,
Yeah, understood,
that time
understood.
okay,
Let me
understand.
go to the next one, okay? Understood, you know that, okay? No problem. Okay. Uh, so, any other tools you have worked on?
I'm working with Signa Auditor, Netflix Auditor, Manage Engine, and also patch management is good thing, because nowadays many vulnerabilities come. If any software, Windows and third-party software is not updated, so it is much vulnerable for any organization. We need to up to date any software. So that time we are using patch management solutions. Our one endpoint solution also give the patch management solution, how to upgrade patch category wise, like security patch, one thing, features patch, bug fix patch. We can push through the portal and we can schedule
Okay.
easily. Yeah.
Okay.
And another thing, for you, if you have any file server, you want to audit file server, who delete the file, who create the file, who move the file, so that time we are using Signa Auditor. And same thing for Active Directory and Azure AD. If you have Azure AD, Active Directory, that time we need to monitor which user login to try and failed, which user has the grant permissions, he global administrator, so we can track through the this kind of things.
Right, right. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Do you know about the GoDaddy and hosting?
Yeah, no, I don't know about the GoDaddy. This is the domain provider, I know, but
Mm.
how?
Yeah, I'm just asking. Just whatever you know about these things, just a basic thing.
I know
What do you
about.
know about them?
Yeah, I know about this is the domain provider. I can buy the domain only for this, because
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, that's simple. Huh. Do you have any experience with coding? or any type of language, you know?
I know C and C++ little bit because this is the partially language when you use with
Yeah,
our
it's
BC.
not a requirement, it is just a additional.
Yeah,
It's okay.
I know about
It's fine.
because what is the algorithm, what is the keyword, what is the syntax, what is the loops. I know very well.
Okay. Yeah, it is very good to have you. You have the experience with EDR, MDM solution as your Active Directory. Yeah, it is really impressed, and we are looking for the for you. I think. Okay. Just prepare for the first round of interview. You know, right?
Sorry, come again?
This is the first round of interview,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
You know that, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just prepare for the second. Okay. Definitely, you will receive for the next round of interview. Okay. Invitation.
Okay, sure. This second round will be, I think, as per discussion with ma'am, she said me with the face to face second round.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It should be in the office. Okay.
Sure, sure. No, sir.
Thank you, Santosh. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
your time.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Yeah, you too.